Hey guys, it's Matt for Creative. Today we are looking at the Mega Charizard EX Ultra Premium Collection. We're going to be taking a look at what's inside here, and hopefully we get something good. So we've been opening a few of these packs, a few of these boxes from Phantasmal Flames, and others from the Mega Evolution kind of series here. And the best, honestly, we've gotten from all of these is probably the the special art rare, or just the illustration rare for Meowth. We haven't pulled naturally any Charizards, anything special like that. So today I found this at Bleecker Trading here in New York City. We're not sponsored by them, but they had a deal. So normally MSRP, this goes for $120. Like if you go out and get this somewhere from a reseller, it's probably going to be around like $200. They had it for $150, so a little bit over MSRP, but hey, I think that's a pretty good deal if you ask me. I don't have that much space because I'm moving stuff around, so even my table here doesn't have that much space. So we're going to be taking a look at this ultra premium collection here, putting things aside. Just before, this is what we're supposed to be getting here. These promos, this is what I really wanted here. That was like definitely what I was looking for. And let's see exactly what do we get here. We get 18 Pokemon TCG booster packs. 18 is a lot. And I mean, we know the promos are worth something, but it's almost like, what, $9 a pack? It's up there. Oh, and here we go. This is why this is an ultra premium collection. Look at the way that this opens up here, and we have our promos. So this is that Charizard. I know we got a lot of light here. That is beautiful. This is one of the cards that I wanted to pull in Japanese. I did not pull this one, even though I got a full box. I think I got the Gardevoir EX, but this is something good. And then, what is it? Who's the bird? The bird is Oricorio, and that's going to be behind us. We're not opening this up just yet. We're going to be taking a look at everything inside here. We're going to be putting this to the side. And again, we are taking a look at everything that we have here. I'm putting this to the side as well. And this is what we have inside. We have that playmat. I really like the colors that they use for Mega Charizard. It's very 90s. It's very nice and bright. And the stitching on this is actually really well done. I'm not going to open that because, again, saving space. Wow, everything's filthy around here. Sorry, I'm going through and cleaning the entire apartment, so things are kind of like in a mess right now. So let's see what we got. We have the card covers. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of that art. It just seems a little bit like underplayed to me. We have the deck box, which I do like. Is this a thicker than normal deck box? If I remember, it's like a little bit thinner. Anyway, that's what we have. We have the die. We have the metal coin, a beautiful metal coin here, a very holographic metal coin. That's pretty good quality. And then we have the packs. So we have the packs on either side. We will be taking these out here. And what do we get? We get Mega Evolution. We get 4 of those. We get Journey Together. We get 4 of those. We get Surging Sparks, at least 1 of them. But let's see exactly what that would be. And then Phantasmal Flames, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Destined Rivals, 4 of them. So 2 Surging Sparks. Everything else, we get 4 packs of this. So we will put these to the side, and we will be going from oldest to newest packs here. So let's get this. How do we do this here? Because I don't want things to like fall apart. Did we miss anything? No, the cards are taken. We're going to put this box on the side. And again, we are going to go from oldest packs to newest packs here. So the Phantasmal Flames will be the last that we open. Second to last will be Mega Evolution, which is the base for this. We will get Journey to... Wait, no. Destined Rivals. Wait, it is Destined Rivals, though, right? Is it? No, shoot, I feel like I'm getting this wrong. Anyway, this is the order in which we'll be opening this here. So let's see exactly what we get. We're going to go with Surging Sparks. Let's see. I mean, I'm excited because we have 18 packs to go through. That means we have options. But let's see if we get anything. We're going to go through these pretty quick unless we get a hit of something. In this case, we do not get anything. And we're going to be kind of organizing these in a way. These are not the most interesting cards to me, but at least I will be putting these on the side. So let's see. We'll be opening up that second pack from Surging Sparks. And by the way, this is the way that I open up these packs, not to reseal them, but I like a clean opening. You can see there's no extra piece, but let's see, do we get anything good with this? Nothing and nothing. So for Surging Sparks, we get absolutely nothing. That's for you. Let me put this to the side. All right, so now we move on to Journey Together. And we are listening to Christmas music and some NFL game in the background. If you're curious about what that noise is. And also there's a couple cats running around. So if you hear that, that's also what that is. This pack feels like really tight. Usually I can just put my fingers and just pull this out. So let's see, do we have anything? Nothing. What if we get nothing in this box? What if it's going to be one of those times? Now, does the promo kind of, does it make up for that? I wanted, and I have, let's say, like the normal Charizard. I have the EX. I have like 8 of them in Japanese, and I have a regular, couple regular in English. Again, I don't have any of the illustration rares, and I would like to get that. Okay, we do have Hops Wooloo, which is a beautiful looking card, but anything without texture is not something that I'm like extremely into here. I would like it with texture. But yeah, I just, having that promo, I don't think it balances all of that out, if you ask me. I do want more, especially for the price that this is, you know, that we would be paying. Again, thankfully, this is not too much more than MSRP, but it is still more than MSRP. So, I mean, that's all that we have here. Oh, you know what? Oh, you know what is missing out of this is Black Bolt and White Flame. Is that what it's called? We don't have anything from that. That's a little bit interesting because that was the final set for Scarlet and Violet. I wonder if that's just because they didn't want to do only 2 packs of each. Maybe that would have been a little bit awkward, but having only 2 Surging Sparks is a little bit odd, if you ask me. Okay. I always want to do like the perfect tear on here, but if it takes too long, and especially since we're recording a video, sometimes it just gets to that point where you just do not care and you just have to do things quickly and not like the best and the cleanest. So let's see exactly what we have. I think we have a regular EX. As I always say here, a regular EX looks like a sticker and it doesn't look like anything special. It's not something that I prefer pulling, honestly. It's just, yeah, it seems a little bit underwhelming, especially since, you know, the Trastal ones are textured. Most, like, I do not understand why some EXs are textured and some are not. In all honesty, I do not get that. I wish they were all textured. We do have a full art here, and this one has texture on it. You can see. So Avern's Mabstiff. Not a card that I'm fully interested in, but hey, it's good to get something with texture. And by the way, something feels like it's tickling my nose right now. I feel like I need to sneeze with every other word that I'm taking, so I'm trying to control that sensation right now. I don't know why I'm feeling like this right now. By the way, we are on Destined Rivals, you know that. And what do we have? We have nothing. Reverse right here. This is the third pack of Destined Rivals. Still haven't pulled that Mewtwo. Don't have that one yet. But let's see if we get something interesting in this pack. Wow, we are going over. I mean, it's good to have something like this, but this is not what we were expecting from this, in all honesty. I mean, when you pull something like this, some of these pull rates are pretty bad, so you know, you get what you can get, but we would like to get something a little, oh, did you get that? Something a little bit better. I would like to get something a little bit better. Oof. That's another nothing out of this. All right, so now we've moved on to Mega Evolutions. Mega Evolution, singular, not plural. I don't know why I always say evolutions. Mega Evolution, and that means that we have... Does the green mean something? I always forget. It must mean nothing because we got nothing. That's the reverse. That's this. This goes over here. But I want to know, guys, what is the best that you've pulled from the new Mega Evolution set? Mega Evolution into Phantasmal Flames. I mean, hope it's something good. I hope it's better. Okay, we got the Ivysaur. The Ivysaur is one of those cards that I am into, even though it's a card that does not have texture. I think that the art on this is really, really well done. It's very distinct. I like that. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Of course, I want more, but that is a good pull, considering it's a card without texture. By the way, am I the only... I mean, I cannot be, and I know I'm not the only one, but am I... You know, I like cards with texture. When it has texture, I like it. I'm a big fan of that. Oh, there's a card stuck in here. Shoot, there's a card stuck in here. I don't know which one it is. We will see. There's the code card. There's this. We'll just say that's the top card. What was I saying? Okay, so yeah, look at this. This is the Mega Latias EX. It has texture. Why all EX cards don't have texture, or why aren't they all textured, is like, no idea. Just make them all textured. I think we would all be very happy if they were all textured. I think I was talking about something right before this, but I can't remember anything at all. Let's see what we get. Abracadabra. Does that mean we get Alakazam? No, but we get a Mega Camerupt. And I think I have pulled this in Japanese, if I remember correctly. And good, having another textured card, but I don't think people care that much about Mega Camerupt. Especially when you can get these, you know, beautiful gold cards and... Oh no, Charizard's not in this one. But you know what I mean. Nice to have a full, you know, full art card, but I want better. I always want better. So let's see. Nothing. I think we are down to our last 3. So we have to make sure that we get something here. If we don't get something, that's very sad. And yeah, the last thing we will do is open up the promo pack to see those cards, because I think that's pretty relevant here. So let's see what we get. Nothing. We're down to our last 2. Our last 2. So let's hope we get something, because I would really like to get... I mean, of course, I would like a gold card. I want a gold card. I want to make that happen. I've been wanting a gold card for such a long time. All right, we get a Paladinian Wooper. Kind of an uninspired, just like that Wooloo, was it Hops Wooloo? Kind of a boring card, if you ask me. Not something that I'm like super into. We're here at the very last pack. So let's see. Oh, destroyed that pack. Anyway, I thought we were doing so well with that, but you know, that's what we have. And what's the last thing we get? Nothing. Pull rates are bad in this box. So let's see, finally, the promo card that we have here. This is our saving grace, because this is what it gets to. I remember waiting in line at Target to get these, and they ran out right before I was getting these. So I was only able to get 2 packs originally, but you know, that's just kind of what we get. So this, ooh, it's dinged up at the top. You can kind of see. Yeah, we can kind of see that here. But we have, ooh, the Oricorio is a textured card as well. I love a textured card. So 2 textured cards, a beautiful, beautiful textured card. And I have my Charizard. Whether it be a promo or whatever, I finally have Mega Charizard X. And for me, Mega Charizard X is better than Mega Charizard Y. I think that's a beautiful looking card, but it is dinged at the top here, which is a little bit disappointing. So here we have Oricorio. The camera is like, I don't know, the viewfinder is kind of weird right now. But anyway, that's what we have. So in all of that entire box, these, I guess, would be the best cards that we get. Promo cards, they really count because everybody gets these. Paladinian Wooper, Full Art Mega Camerupt, Mega Latias EX Normal, Ivysaur, a beautiful looking card. Arven's Mab Ostiff, I can't say that. Yeah, I don't care about that one. And Hops Wooloo. So textured cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But finally have that Mega Charizard X. So at MSRP, is this worth it to you? At $150, I mean, it's not that much more. It's only $30 above MSRP. At least it wasn't $200. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.